Okay, so you got all the support material removed. And the quick release arm is already functional. Next, you want to make sure this ring is broken loose and functional. You may have to pop it out once you take an X-Acto knife. I've already broken this one loose. And we'll use an X-Acto knife to break loose right here. But see how it pops open like this? And then it pops back in easily? That's how you want it to be. If it isn't functioning like this, then this part will not function correctly. So you want to be able to put a socket on and release it without it falling, just like you saw. The next thing you'll want to do is break this part loose right here. Take some large wire cutters / pliers and wiggle it. You should hear a click and you broke it loose. Once this is broken loose, you'll be able to slide it up into position. There's slight grooves here that show you where it needs to go. Place your socket on and turn it clockwise. You can hear it clicking, but it can't turn counterclockwise. So this is now functioning. Can't turn counterclockwise. Quick release functions. Turn back to the middle and back to the other side. Again, there is a grooves already pre-made to show you where it needs to go. Now we're going to turn counterclockwise. You can hear it turning, clicking. Maybe a little difficult at first, but it can't turn clockwise. But it turns counterclockwise. So that's functioning. And there you have it. A single print, quick release, reversible ratchet. Available at 3dprojectsfortomorrow.com. Check it out. Thanks.